Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadderu, your mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, let us continue with chapter 8 decimals. So children, let us continue with the exercise. Students, in last video we had solved main question number 2, 3 sums. Now let us solve the remaining last one, that is 11.6 minus 9.847. So when you subtract, you notice that here we don't have any number, so I have placed here 0. So 0 cannot be subtracted, so what becomes now? You will borrow. So when you borrow, it becomes 10, but already here you have 0, so you will be borrowing from here to make it 10, isn't it? So when you borrow, it becomes 9 and this becomes 5. So 10 minus 7, you get 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 8, it cannot be subtracted, so what you do? Borrow from here and give it here, isn't it? So 15 minus 8, you get 7. Place the decimal as it is. Again 0 minus 9 cannot be done, so what you do? Again 0 here, borrow. 10 minus 9, 1. So you get the answer 1.753. Next question we have question number 3. Raju bought a book for rupees 35.65. He gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. How much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So children, when he purchases a book of rupees 35.65, how much money will he get back from the shopkeeper? So you have to subtract 50 minus 35.65. So before that, let us write the statement. Money given to the shopkeeper is equals to rupees 50. Cost of book Raju bought is equals to rupees 35.65. Therefore, money Raju got back from the shopkeeper is equals to, so children, you have to subtract 50 minus 35.65. As you know, here we don't have any number, so what I will do? I will just place zeros. Now can you subtract? Yes. So children, subtract along with me. Now here you don't have anything, so it becomes 10. Here it becomes 9. Here it becomes 9. And here it becomes 4. Isn't it? So 10 minus 5, you get answer 5. 9 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 3. Place the decimal as it is. 9 minus 5, you get 4, and 4 minus 3, you get 1. So totally, after purchasing the book, money remained with Raju is equals to 14.35. Now let us move to question number 4. Question number 4. Rani had rupees 18.50. She bought one ice cream for rupees 11.75. How much money does she have now? So children, you have to first write the statement, that is money with Rani is equals to 18.50. Cost of one ice cream she bought is equals to 11.75. Now children, when you subtract this, you get the money that is remaining with her. So what you do? Subtract now. It becomes 10 and this becomes 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 4 minus 7, it cannot be done. So children, what you do? Again you borrow here, it becomes 7 and here it becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Place the decimal as it is. 7 minus 1 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So total money left with her is equals to rupees 6.75. Question number 5. Tina had 20 meters 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? So children, what you have to do? Again write the statement, that is cloth Tina had is equals to 20 meter 5 centimeters. Next, cloth she cuts for making curtain is equals to 4 meter and 50 centimeters. So children, when you subtract this, you get the answer, that is the cloth left with her. If your comfortable with solving directly, you can do, or you can convert this into decimals. 20 meters and 5 centimeters, you can write it as 20.05 meters, and whereas this one 4 meters and 50 centimeters, that is like this. Now children, here you might have the doubt, here it is 5 and why your miss has written 0.5. So children, when you convert this 5 centimeters into meter, that it becomes 5 upon 100, because 1 meter contains 100 centimeters, so 5 centimeters will be 5 upon 100. So when you convert this into decimal, how you get? This first 0 becomes point, next one 0 and 5. 0.05. Did you get? So you have to write 20.05. Now subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. As you cannot subtract 0 from 5, what you do? Borrow from here. But here also you have 0. So what will you do now? You will subtract again, borrow from here, isn't it? So this becomes 10, this becomes 9, and this becomes 1. So 10 minus 5, you get 5. 9 minus 4, you get 5, and this one as 1 as it is. So you get the answer 15.55 meters. So you write 15 meters and 55 centimeters. You can write like this, or you can write the answer like this. So children, is it understood? Question number 5. Okay, now let us move to question number 6. Question number 6. Namita travels 20 km 5 meters every day, out of which she travels 10 km 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. How much distance does she travel by auto? So children, you have to write the statement first. So your statement will be, distance traveled by Namita every day is equals to 20 kilometers and 50 meters. Similarly, distance traveled by bus is equals to 10 kilometer and 200 meters. So you have to find the distance she travels by auto. So you have to subtract this. Again take it separately. 20.050, that is 50 meters. So children, I have told 50 meters how to convert. 50 upon 100. So what you get? It will be, here it is kilometer, so you will take here 1000, isn't it? So it will be 0.050. 0.050. I have written here 0.050. Is it clear? Now write 10 kilometers and 200 meters. I have written. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, you get 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Now you cannot subtract 0 from 2. What you do? Borrow here, and borrow here. 10 minus 2, you get 8. Place point as it is. 9 minus 0 is 9, and this one as it is. So you will get the answer 850 kilometers. So you write here 9 kilometers and 850 meters. So children, is it understood? Is subtraction understood here? Okay, now let us move to next. Akash bought vegetables weighing 10 kgs. Out of this, 3 kg 500 grams is onion, 2 kg 75 grams is potato, and rest is potatoes. Find the weight of potatoes. So children, let us write the statement first here. The statement will be, write weight of vegetables, weight of onion, weight of tomatoes. Now to find the weight of potatoes, you have to add these two and subtract with this. So I have written total weight of vegetables minus weight of onions plus weight of tomatoes, that is 10 kg minus 3.500 plus 2.075. So children, first add this. I have added here already. 0 plus 5 is 5, 7, 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So right here 5.575, that is 10 kg minus 5.575 kg. Again subtract here. It cannot be subtracted, borrow. It becomes 10, 9, 9, 9, and here 0. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So you get the answer 4.425 kg.